This guy trained his cat to turn on the Xbox.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
This dog gets really excited whenever it hears someone say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Did you discuss any of this with Rita?
Not okay.
What's that? Oh my god. What is it? What is it? What have you done?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with my taxes?
This cat is absolutely disgusted with his baby. This person owns an overly aggressive, romantic cat.
Realized that my dog is 9 years old and I never told him my name.
My name is Jen.
He somehow got brain freeze via Bluetooth. This rabbit likes to give out change to customers.
And here's 14. 1 and 2 and 3 and